This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Susan Pender. Waterfront with boat dock. Stunning deep waterfront, 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom, 5,107 square foot brick home on a gorgeous high lot with beautiful water views. Inviting bright and open floor plan featuring a family room with soaring cathedral ceilings and a floor-to-ceiling gas fireplace, wonderful eat-in kitchen with an eat-up bar area, breakfast area and wet bar, separate living room and dining room, office, large first-floor primary suite with a spacious and luxurious bathroom, 3 bedrooms, all with ensuite bathrooms and huge finished room over the garage. Many updates including newer geothermal 3-zone heat and air, roof and water heater. Gorgeous professionally landscaped yard and a 3-car side load.